Well, you were on the right tracks, Michael. That's worse than your joke. I'm at Vincent Square in the heart of London for the International Model Railway Exhibition. Now, this is the largest working layout. It recaptures the golden age of steam, and helping to operate it are two young enthusiasts, Geoffrey Riley and his friend David Hack. There we go. So this is really the heart of everything, isn't it? This is like a signal box?
Yeah, because you can control most of the trains from here.
But because this is such a large layout, we do have to control it like a real railway with schedules, timetables.
Yeah, try and keep it running without accidents.
Geoffrey, aren't you a bit old to be playing with choo-choo trains?
Not really, because there's a lot of men older than us on this layout.
We're not playing, it's a hobby. It's more of a hobby.
Well, why this is a hobby?
Much more fun, because you've got the live steam and the electric working together, and you can join them together a lot easier.
And because steam was before our time, I guess we just want to know what it's about. You know, we got all the telly and we think, oh great, really brilliant.
You got layouts at home, haven't you?
Yeah, I've got a double O, which is smaller than this and to scale as well.
Yeah, that's the most popular gauge, isn't it? That's the ones that you sort of start off and build up from there. Yeah. Geoffrey, are there clubs that you can join?
Yes, there are, but you have to watch about the age limit because they don't always accept people under 14.
Oh, right, so check with the clubs.
Yeah.
What are the advantages of joining the club then?
You can have much bigger layouts, as this one is quite relatively large. And also you are mixing with people who are as keen as you.
Oh, right, so you all share a common interest. David and Geoffrey, thank you both very much for letting us into the signal box. Let's now have a look at a train that may be more familiar to yourselves.
Visitors in the old many fires caused by the maintenance, but must ask these visitors to take great care and avoid the electricity cables on the floor.
It's great, this, isn't it?
Yes.
Who built Tidmouth then?
Well, my family and my dad's friends.
Yeah. When did you get interested in trains?
Well, it was really when I was small, and my dad had a lot of trains and we kept on playing with them.
So do you recommend this as a good hobby?
Yes, and the best one to start with for little ones is Thomas, and then they can get more advanced.
Yeah, you use the same layout, can't you? This is all very green, and how important is all this?
Well, it's quite important because it makes the whole thing look lifelike.
Yeah, it's very realistic. This is double O gauge, yeah?
Yes.
Right then. Many thanks, Vince. All right, and thanks, Tim. I think we got out there. Anyone famous?
Yeah, Boko, Thomas, and...
Thomas.
Just Boko and Thomas.
Oh, right.
And Henry.
Okay, let's move away from electric steam then to modern day. I'm moving fast today, and so's the advanced passenger train on the double O gauge. Great. Nice to see some girls here. What do you think of the exhibition, Claire?
I think it's very good. There's a lot of things to see, and so it's good.
Yeah. We have another Claire over here as well. What do you think about it? Have you got a train set at home?
Yes, my dad has, but I nearly broke one. I think the exhibition is excellent.
Yeah. What about Steve? What do you think about train models?
Well, what I like about them is they grow up with you.
Yeah. Good. What about you, Andy? Have you got a train set at home?
No, but I like one.
Yeah. Good lad. Well then, if you get a chance to come along to the exhibition, it's open till Thursday. It's at Vincent Square near Victoria in London, so pop along if you get the chance. Or if not, why don't you look seriously at model trains as a hobby for yourselves?